In this video, I'll show you how to fix the common problem of not being able to join a Discord server. Whether you're new to Discord or have used it for years, I'll walk through each step to troubleshoot the issue so you can get into any server smoothly. Before we get started, please remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more videos. So let's get started. Start by opening your browser and going to Discord, either by typing the URL directly or searching for it and clicking the top result. The home page is simple and easy to navigate. On the login page, enter the email you used to sign up for Discord, then your password. Remember, it's case sensitive. Click Log In, and you should land on your Discord dashboard. If something goes wrong, double-check your credentials or use the password reset option. Once you're in, you'll see your home screen with all the servers you're part of. Most join issues happen at the next step, trying to access a server through an invite link. If the link doesn't work, the fix usually involves the server owner generating a new one. Go to the server settings, find the Invite People option, then select Edit Invite Link and generate a new link. Old or expired links are one of the most common reasons people can't join, so a fresh link often solves the problem. Keep in mind some links expire or have a limited number of uses, so join soon after it's created. To recap, log into Discord, get an updated invite link from the server, and use it to join. If you're still having trouble, the issue might be on the server's end, like entry requirements or a full member cap. In that case, reach out to a server admin for help. That covers the main reasons people get stuck trying to join a Discord server and how to fix them. A little patience and the right invite link go a long way. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one and like the video. Happy chatting!